Codex on Windows can now do more on your computer without you having to sit in front of it. We've added both computer use and mobile access to the latest version of the Codex app on Windows, along with a series of improvements to the overall app experience. Computer use can control any app on your computer and perform tasks on your behalf. If you plan to have Codex perform tasks that can be completed in the browser, check out the Codex for Chrome integration, as it can work in multiple tabs at the same time, all in the background. For everything else, computer use is a great option. To get started, go into the settings in your Codex app and enable the computer use option. From here, you can use Add Computer in your Composer for any new conversation to turn on computer use. You can even mention specific apps that are installed on your computer. Once Codex starts using your computer to perform tasks, it will take over your computer screen and cursor. You will see a visual change of your desktop and the cursor while Codex is at work. This is a great opportunity for you to get up, stretch, grab a glass of water, or run off to your next meeting. Just leave your laptop at your desk, having Codex do all the work, and just bring a notepad. Trust me, it's a power move for you to do things with pen and paper while your AI agent is doing all the work. And if you have to check in on Codex doing the work, you can use the ChatGPT app on iOS or Android. To set it up, click the mobile icon at the bottom of your Codex app or go into the Settings Connections menu. You'll have to make sure that you're signed in to your ChatGPT account to enable access. Once you're signed in, scan the QR code and log into Codex on your ChatGPT mobile app, and your Windows device should appear in the list automatically. From here, you can see existing running tasks or start new ones as long as your computer is turned on and connected to the internet. You can use existing plugins or even start new tasks that involve computer use to have Codex do work while you're on the go. With these changes, Codex can get more done on Windows without tying you to your desk. Give it a try and let us know what you think.